Welcome to Recipes for 7 Life. It is Easter time and we are talking traditional Easter dishes. So Chef Darian, what are we making today?
Making some lamb. Ooh. Simple and delicious.
Okay.
I got some thyme, some rosemary, some garlic, salt and pepper, and some oil.
Okay.
We're not going to go too crazy because we want to be able to taste the lamb flavor.
Yeah.
Not too much spice at all.
Okay,
all
okay.
Right?
So while you're mixing everything, Chef, tell us really quick, because you cook some over there. Tell us, once you get it all seasoned, how are we cooking it?
So we're going to go in a hot pan, get some nice sear on it to your temperature. How do you like your lamb? Like what? Doneness?
Medium.
Medium? Medium rare is what I recommend eating lamb because it's nice, it's juicy, it's not dry.
Yeah.
So that's how I like my lamb too. So cook it for at least 4 minutes on one side, flip it over, you feel it, doneness, it feels great.
Yeah.
That's tasty, by the
And
way.
you said lamb loves rosemary, right?
Yep, lamb love rosemary. Just bring out that gaminess in it because my wife loves lamb. She loves the
Yes.
gamey lamb though. She don't like the domestic stuff that doesn't taste gamey, you know what I mean? So.
All right, Chef. So tell us this. What are some traditional dishes in Jamaica?
Traditional dishes, I would
For
say.
Easter, yeah.
A lot of goat. A lot of goat on the table. We have ham, oxtail, all that fun stuff. A lot of jerk. That's what we do, right?
I love it.
With some salt and pepper in there. So I'm pretty much making this herb oil. Just mix it up.
And you see how fast he's doing that? Super
Yeah,
duper
super
easy.
simple, yep.
And
Then
you
we're gonna
marinate it
spread
for how long?
I would say 30 minutes, just to get that flavor in it. And we're just gonna mix that up.
Oh my
There you
gosh,
go.
Chef.
Let it sit there and adapt all of that flavor. The rosemary, the thyme, the garlic, the salt and pepper. Come on, man.
The chef hooked us up, wkbw.com/7life to get the recipe. This lamb is delicious.
Super simple and delicious. Let's get it.
Recipes for 7 Life would like to thank Acme Cabinet Company and Clothes Mentor.